Well, well, well. What have the guys got me doing?
Matron, take them away.
And a warm welcome to one and all. If it's your first time here, I'm the big fella, Scruffy Trader. And it is Scruffy today because if you're following the channel, recently moved out, so everything's upside down. Got builders sitting outside, they'll be coming braying on the door in a few minutes. So if there's banging kicking around, I do apologise because they are noisy sods. And Scruffy gets to join in the mix. Lovely. But that's what builders are. But I've got my coffee, because we all know Scruffy likes a coffee. And today, he's got his thinking cap on. Because the guys yesterday decided that I should have a challenge. Well, I'm saying the guys, Duke did. So it's a little salute to Duke. And I really hope this goes well. And the challenge is very simple. I'll show it to you. They pick the market, and they also pick the direction randomly. Simply because I mentioned that that you can trade any direction, and that's the builders banging on the door and Winky racing off to see them. So this is going to be entertaining. So listen to the noise. And the idea is a very simple one. We get in, we get out, we get paid. It's that simple. So how does this translate? Let me show you. Okay. If I pull this down onto here, and flip the screen over. There we go. This is our Discord, what we talk about. Now, if I go up into the rogue track, here we are. There they are. They're having a bit of a chat about what it should be. I wasn't involved in the chat. I didn't want to sway the decision in any shape or form. So you can see it. This is Dukey boy here, Your Highness. But there's only one king, so he has to be a duke. And I'm not the king, by the way. It's Elvis. But I do have a queen, and she just walked past. My little princess. Princess Leia. So, they decided that DAX is fine. Go with the DAX. Happy with that. Live with that. And what they did for a coin toss was this. It was a random number. And they decided that the random number was 24. And somewhere up here, I think... did I put it in? There it is there. Or a random number on Google. Even long, odd short. So that sort of selected that we're going long. Right. Okay. This is the market. Now there is a lot of building banging around. So what I'll do is I'll stay relatively quiet and do the trade. But I'm going long. Now if I looked at an hourly chart, it's actually a good play. So I'm quite happy with that. Take it down to 15 minutes and we can see it's actually heading that way anyway. All right. But the relaxing's coming in. You can hear them bashing around already, can't you? It's 20 to 8 in the morning, so this is going to be a good day. We having a ceiling pulled down and they're going to fix it. Up, talk, that is the little gopher. What do you want?
Can you open the back gate?
Yeah. I'll do it for you.
Alright.
There's loads of latches on.
Yeah. Please. Do you not get manners when you were at school?
No.
No.
Wish I did.
Just ignore them.
Bloody hell. See that? Youth of today, boys and girls. Youth of today. Oh, dear me. Right. Because maneth maketh the man. Okay. What are we doing? Let me sort this out. what I'm going to do is I'm going to let this relax, and then I'm going to enter a quick trade. Now, because it's a challenge and it's sort of on the cuff, it will be a case of in and out. So 10, 15 pips is all we're looking for. Okay, so if I drop this down, you'll see it's starting to chatter. I'm expecting it to come down into here and then up. That's the plan. And as you can hear there, banging away. So what I'll do is I'll drop it into speedy mode. I'll come back when the trade's finished and we'll see how we get it. Catch you soon. There we go, boys and girls. Job done. A little bit of good fortune, a little bit of good planning. I pulled it because when that happens, the chances of it sustaining is pretty slim, and it'll probably want to snap back, which it is. And there was enough money to pay me. So the job was to do 50 quid long. We've got no positions open. Oh, better shut that ticket off in case I open that up again. And there you go. That's not bad, you know. Well in excess of 300 quid for 20 minutes, 40 minutes work. Happy days. All right, so what's the moral of the story here? Well, the moral of the story is stick to your conviction. I was looking to go long, and I waited for it to relax. Yeah, it went against me, but I also have my management rules in place that I knew it was at a stretch point, so it can only go so far before it snaps back, which I capitalized on. And then when I saw the money was being offered by the market, I took it. That's it. That's trading in a nutshell, guys. And once you get round that and you take the greed element out of it and you take the money out of it, well, then the job becomes quite a bit easier. And what I mean by that is, yes, I took the money when it was offered, so the money is in the equation, but the money wasn't part of the process. The process was let the market stretch. You would have seen there's various lines on the screen. I know these are tag points, so I look to capitalize on those tag points. And they also work as barriers to the point where my pain is. Now, once I get to a pain level, I then have to sort of think about how do I get out? And this is all part of the process. And then all you do is once you see the market slam the way you want it to, is have a good look at it and think, no, it's ready to pay me. Let's have some money. That's it. So, nice easy one today. Challenge accepted, challenge completed, guys. Thank you very much for that. I think I'll have the rest of the day off because, as you can hear, they're banging the living hell out of the house. And why not? So if you're stuck, I'm very easy found. You find all my contact details in the comments and the description. Do comment and like on the video as well. And if you have found value, click that subscribe button. It genuinely motivates me to do more. And as always, guys, trade well, keep your risk managed, but above all, do what you love, and the money will follow. See you all in the next one.